Put this in your tea and your performance can start to come back faster than you expect. For men over 50, a simple evening routine can make all the difference. Not with pills or complicated treatments, but with natural support that works with your body, not against it. In this video, I will show you how a special tea blend can improve circulation, restore stamina, and bring back the energy and confidence you thought was gone. I am Dr. Laura Stone, a urologist with over a decade of experience helping men reclaim their health and confidence. I believe the best results often come from simple natural habits, and one of the easiest ways to improve performance is through what you drink. Tea is more than just a soothing beverage. When prepared with the right ingredients, it becomes a powerful tool for blood flow, hormone balance, and energy. There is something unique about tea that goes far beyond its taste. When you drink a warm cup, the heat itself works like therapy inside your body. Warmth naturally opens blood vessels, allowing them to expand and carry blood more freely. At the same time, that warmth helps relax your nervous system, easing stress and tension that often interfere with performance. And because tea is water-based, it also helps your body absorb nutrients from herbs, roots, and spices much faster than if you were to eat them in food. This is one of the reasons cultures all around the world have leaned on tea for centuries. In China, ginseng and green tea have long been trusted to restore energy and male vitality. In India, Ayurveda uses blends of ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom to awaken circulation and improve stamina. In the Middle East, pomegranate and herbal infusions are shared to strengthen the body and protect the heart. Even in Europe, simple teas made with mint or chamomile were used for relaxation, digestion, and better sleep, all of which tie directly into sexual health. For men over 50, tea becomes more than just a soothing evening drink. It turns into a daily opportunity to actively nourish your body with compounds that target the very systems that weaken with age. Circulation slows, hormones fluctuate, and stress builds up, all of which affect your ability to perform. But by choosing the right tea ingredients, you are feeding your blood vessels, calming your nerves, and encouraging your body to respond the way it used to. And there is another hidden benefit. Unlike pills or treatments that can feel artificial or carry side effects, tea is gentle. It becomes part of a routine you can actually enjoy. That consistency is what makes the difference. A nightly cup not only supports your body, it reminds you every single day that you are investing in your strength, your health, and your confidence. The first ingredient I want you to focus on is ginger. Ginger is far more than just a spice for cooking. It is one of the most powerful natural circulation boosters you can use. For centuries, it has been prized in both Chinese and Indian medicine for its warming and invigorating qualities. When you consume ginger, your body reacts almost immediately. It gently widens blood vessels, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow more freely throughout your entire system. That means better nourishment for your heart, your muscles, and most importantly, your pelvic region. For men who struggle with weaker erections, this improvement in circulation can make a noticeable difference. Erections depend entirely on how much blood can be delivered and held in the penile chambers. If the arteries are sluggish or narrow, erections are weak. But when blood flow is opened up, firmness improves naturally. Ginger acts like a natural spark, reminding your blood vessels how to respond. Preparing it is simple. Slice fresh ginger root into thin pieces and steep it in hot water for at least 10 minutes. The longer you allow it to steep, the stronger the effect will be, as more active compounds are released into the tea. You will notice a gentle heat in the drink itself, and you may feel that same warmth spreading through your body after you drink it. This inner warmth mirrors the very action ginger creates inside your blood vessels, opening them, energizing them, and allowing stronger flow where it matters most. Ginger also carries anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps calm the inner lining of your blood vessel. This makes them smoother and more elastic, which is exactly what you want for reliable erections. Over time, men who drink ginger tea regularly often report not just better sexual performance, but also more energy, less fatigue, and a greater sense of vitality throughout the day. The second ingredient is pomegranate. Many people think of it as simply a fruit, but it is truly a powerhouse for circulation and male vitality. Pomegranate seeds, juice, and even concentrated extracts are filled with antioxidants that directly protect your blood vessels from damage. Over the years, small injuries from poor diet, stress, or high blood sugar can stiffen and weaken your arteries. Pomegranate helps repair and defend against this, keeping your vessels open, smooth, and flexible. One of the most important things pomegranate does is encourage your body's natural production of nitric oxide. This is the very same compound your system uses to trigger an erection. Nitric oxide signals your arteries to relax and widen, allowing blood to rush into the penis and create firmness. Without enough nitric oxide, erections are weak or do not last. By adding pomegranate to your daily tea, you are giving your body the building blocks to restore that natural process. The flavor is another benefit. A spoonful of pomegranate concentrate stirred into your evening tea adds a pleasant sweetness, making the drink enjoyable as well as powerful. Unlike refined sugar, which harms circulation, the natural compounds in pomegranate actively strengthen it. If you prefer fresh fruit, you can also add the seeds directly into the tea, allowing their juice to infuse as they steep. For men over 50, pomegranate offers more than just a performance boost. It also supports heart health, lowers inflammation, and provides energy. Many men who start including it in their evening routine notice not only stronger erections, but also better stamina during the day and fewer issues with fatigue. Think of pomegranate as a protector and a restorer. It shields your blood vessels from further damage, while at the same time encouraging them to work more effectively. In combination with ginger, it creates a powerful 1-2 effect. Ginger sparks circulation, and pomegranate strengthens and sustains it. Next is cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as just a kitchen spice, but it is actually a powerful ally for circulation and performance. One of the key reasons cinnamon is so helpful for men over 50 is because of its effect on blood sugar. High blood sugar is one of the silent enemies of strong erection. When glucose stays elevated, it damages the lining of blood vessels and reduces their ability to expand. This weakens blood flow and makes it harder to achieve firmness. Cinnamon works like a natural stabilizer. It helps your body become more sensitive to insulin, which is the hormone that regulates blood sugar. That means your cells can take in sugar more effectively, keeping levels balanced instead of allowing spikes and crashes. Over time, this protects your blood vessels and keeps them functioning smoothly. But cinnamon has another hidden benefit. It gently warms the body. Just as ginger provides a fiery spark, cinnamon provides a softer, more steady heat. This warming effect helps relax and open blood vessels, encouraging healthy circulation throughout the body, including the pelvic region. Adding cinnamon to tea is simple. Drop a small stick of cinnamon into your pot or cup and let it simmer for several minutes. As it infuses, it not only adds a delicious, slightly sweet flavor, but also delivers powerful compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which is directly linked to improved circulation and anti-inflammatory effects. Many men who start drinking cinnamon tea regularly notice not only better erections, but also improved digestion, reduced belly fat, and more stable energy levels during the day. So when you add that cinnamon stick to your tea, you are doing more than flavoring your drink. You are strengthening your blood flow, protecting your arteries, and giving your body a steady source of warmth and vitality. The fourth ingredient is ginseng, a root that has been used in Asian medicine for centuries as a symbol of strength, stamina, and male vitality. Ginseng has long been called the king of herbs in many traditions because of its wide range of benefits for energy and performance. What makes ginseng so effective for erections is its influence on nitric oxide. As I explained earlier, nitric oxide is the chemical signal that tells your blood vessels to open wide and allow blood to flow in. Without enough of it, arousal signals do not translate into physical firmness. Ginseng naturally increases nitric oxide production, helping your arteries relax and respond more quickly. But its benefits do not stop there. Ginseng is also an adaptogen. That means it helps your body adapt to stress, reducing fatigue and supporting better balance in your hormones. For men who feel drained, tired, or mentally worn down, ginseng provides a gentle lift to both body and mind. Unlike caffeine, which creates a sharp spike and crash, ginseng offers a steady, natural boost that leaves you feeling more awake and centered. To prepare it, you can slice a small piece of ginseng root and steep it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The flavor is earthy and slightly bitter, but when combined with honey or pomegranate, it becomes pleasant and soothing. Some men also use powdered ginseng, which can be stirred directly into tea for convenience. Many of my patients report that within a few weeks of adding ginseng tea to their routine, they notice better morning erections, improved stamina during intimacy, and more overall energy throughout the day. It does not just improve physical performance, it also supports mental clarity, mood, and endurance. Think of ginseng as a natural fuel that strengthens both the body and the mind. When combined with circulation boosters like ginger and cinnamon, and vessel protectors like pomegranate, it becomes a cornerstone ingredient in your performance tea. Finally, let us not forget honey. Too many people think of honey as just a sweetener, but it is so much more. Honey provides quick, natural energy that your body can actually use right away. Unlike refined sugar, which spikes your blood sugar and then leaves you crashing, honey delivers a steady release of fuel that supports stamina without the roller coaster effect. Honey also contains trace minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and boron, each of which plays a role in hormone balance. Zinc in particular is directly linked to testosterone production. Testosterone is not just about libido. It supports muscle strength, energy, mood, and the very drive that makes you feel alive as a man. By including honey in your tea, you are not only adding sweetness, but also feeding your body minerals that keep your hormones balanced. Another benefit is recovery. After intimacy, your body uses energy and nutrients quickly. Honey, when paired with circulation boosters like ginger, cinnamon, and ginseng, helps replenish that energy and calm inflammation, leaving you feeling restored instead of drained. Think of it as the finishing touch that brings the whole tea together. Smooth, nourishing, and deeply supportive for both performance and recovery. Now let me guide you through preparing this performance tea at home. Start with a pot of fresh water. Place it on the stove and add a few slices of fresh ginger root, along with a stick of cinnamon. Allow these to simmer gently for at least 10 minutes. As the water warms, it will pull out the active compounds from the ginger and cinnamon, filling your kitchen with a rich, comforting aroma. This simmering step is important. It releases the full strength of these powerful ingredients. After 10 minutes, pour the tea into a mug. Now it is time to add the next layer of support. Stir in a spoonful of pomegranate concentrate. If you prefer, you can crush a handful of fresh seeds and let them infuse directly into the cup. Either way, you are adding a sweet, tangy burst that protects your blood vessels and boosts nitric oxide production. Next, add your ginseng. If you have a small piece of the root, let it steep in the hot tea for 10 to 15 minutes. If you are using a powder, stir in about half a teaspoon until it dissolves. This is your energy booster, the ingredient that steadies your stamina and clears your mind. Finally, Finish with a teaspoon of natural honey. Stir it gently so it blends evenly into the tea. This is the ingredient that ties everything together, providing sweetness, minerals, and quick natural energy. Now here is the most important part. Sip it slowly. Do not rush. Allow the tea to work as both a physical tonic and a mental ritual. Drink it in the evening, ideally about an hour before bed. As the warmth spreads through your body, notice how your shoulders drop, your chest loosens, and your mind begins to calm. At the same time, your circulation is opening, your blood vessels are becoming more flexible, and your hormones are gently rebalancing. When you make this a consistent habit, something remarkable begins to happen. Over the course of 2 to 3 weeks, many men notice real changes: firmer mornings, steadier energy, and a confidence they thought they had lost. This is not about a quick fix. It is about giving your body the daily nourishment it needs to restore its natural strength. Now imagine yourself 3 weeks from now. You have made this tea part of your nightly routine. Instead of waking up feeling tired, you notice a firmness you have not felt in years. Instead of approaching intimacy with worry, you feel calm, steady, and ready. That confidence transforms not only your performance, but your relationship and the way you see yourself. Gentlemen, your best years are not behind you. They are waiting for you to give your body the right support. Something as simple as a cup of tea, enriched with the right ingredients, can help restore circulation, balance your hormones, and give you back the energy and confidence you deserve. So tonight, do not just drink ordinary tea. Add ginger, pomegranate, cinnamon, ginseng, and honey. Make it a ritual and remind yourself with every sip that you are investing in your strength, your vitality, and your future. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more natural, science-based guidance. Every week, I share practical ways men over 50 can improve their health, restore their confidence, and enjoy life to the full.